Past perfect likes. Discover the had liked with infinitives. Hello, language learners. We're here today to delve into an exciting aspect of English language learning. Expressing likes in different tenses, specifically focusing on the past perfect tense. In this video, we will concentrate on using had liked with infinitives. As always, we will walk through some definitions, examples, and even some fun exercises to help you master this topic. Before we dive into expressing likes using had liked with infinitives, let's quickly brush up our knowledge about the past perfect tense. This tense is used to talk about an action or situation that was completed before another action or time in the past. It is typically formed by using had before the past participle of the verb. For example, I had finished my work before dinner. Now that we're clear on what the past perfect tense is, let's dive into our main topic, using had liked with infinitives. When you want to express that you liked something in the past before another event occurred, you can use had liked. The infinitive that follows often describes the action that you liked. Here's an example. She had liked to read books before she started school. This sentence expresses that the person enjoyed reading books in a period before starting school. Let's dig a little deeper into how this structure works. Remember, had liked is typically followed by an infinitive verb to plus base form of the verb. Note, the use of had liked with an infinitive is less common and somewhat formal. It's more often used in written English than spoken. For example, they had liked to visit the museum before it was renovated. This sentence means that they enjoyed visiting the museum in a time period before it was renovated. The best way to learn is by practicing, so let's try a few exercises. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to form a sentence using had liked with an infinitive. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the first one. Scenario: John enjoyed playing soccer before he injured his leg. Answer: John had liked to play soccer before he injured his leg. Now, it's your turn. Try to create sentences using had liked with an infinitive for these scenarios. 1. Mary loved painting before she moved to New York. 2. We enjoyed hiking before the winter set in. 3. You liked studying at the library before it closed for renovation. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on expressing likes in the past perfect tense using had liked with infinitives. As with any new language skill, practice is key, so don't forget to use these structures when you're speaking or writing about the past. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue learning. Happy language learning!